Oh, very good. Next. Sino nahirapan maghanap ng isusuot tonight? Take your seat. Oh. Next. Naputukan kahapon Valentine's Day. Take your seat. Oh. Here. Oh, sino ko po? Sino ko po? Here we go. Next, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. If you love to be kissed, kung gusto nyo i-kiss kayo ng husband and wife nyo, pag gumising kayo every morning, take your seat. Next, hindi nakatanggap ng regalo sa Valentine's Day kahapon, take your seat. Next, ladies and gentlemen, is if your favorite color is red. Be honest, take your seat. Next, nag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day na single, take your seat.
Ay, buti kaduwa na dyan.
Oh. Next, may hinahangaan kayong tao ngayon but you cannot confess or give your feelings na ipagtapat sa kanya na you truly love him or her. Take your seat. Bawal cheating. We do not tolerate cheating here. Next, if you have been married for more than 20 years, take your seat. Oh! Ilan na lang yung nakatayo? Ilan na lang yung nakatayo? Dalawa na lang? Tatlo na lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kung may credit card kayo, take your seat. Ate Beth, alam ko yun. Next! If nasubukan nyo magkaroon ng failing grade during your elementary days or high school days, 74 and below, take your seat. Tatlo na lang. If your waistline, if your waistline is above 35, take your seat. Tita Nelly, pasensya na po. Pagbigyan na natin yung mga bata. O, dalawa na lang. Tatlo. Apat. Naka-receive ng kiss kahapon, Valentine's Day, take your seat. Wala ba yung kiss? If you find jive the hardest dance in dance sports, take your seat. Hindi ko alam. No, alright. If you are a breadwinner of your family, take your seat. Alright? Next, kung meron kayong dalang pera na worth 100 pesos tonight, take your seat. And we have our winner, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Thank you very much. Now, at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we will be playing more games because you will also have competition later on with our invited judges tonight. So at this time, I'd like to request each one